Talked to students today who have received a notice.
Immigration attorney Ruby Robinson growing increasingly concerned as hundreds of international students from universities across the country are suddenly finding their visas and status revoked, including students at the University of Michigan.
It just says, we're terminating, your status has been terminated, leave the United States immediately. The fairness and the due process have disappeared.
The University of Michigan telling Fox 2 they learned that 4 currently registered students have had their visas revoked by Homeland Security. It's not known who these students are or why they were even targeted. We understand that at least one has left the country.
The student I talked to today had a very, very minor altercation with law enforcement, and that was dismissed, right? No charges were filed. It was a very minor thing and happened over a year ago.
Robinson says it's the only reason he can come up with for this student being targeted. And it's not just happening at the University of Michigan. Central Michigan University saying during a routine review of their system, staff learned several current and former international student visas had been terminated. And neither the university nor the impacted students had received any notification of their status changes.
A lot of students are also very scared about what it means to speak up, because what we have seen over the past few weeks is anybody who does speak up is targeted.
We have a right, like every country in the world has a right, to remove you from our country. We gave you a visa to come and study and get a degree, not to become a social activist that tears up our university campuses.
Secretary of State Marco Rubio warned in March they were going after student activists, but Robinson says it appears all international students could be at risk.
It's disheartening, and it's going to have profound effects both in university and college communities, but also at the bottom lines of many universities and colleges. No one deserves the vengeance and the retaliation that this administration is using.
In Detroit, Amy Lang, Fox 2 News.